Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alicia aka Ali, and today I'll be showing you how I got this anime cute kawaii maid makeup look and outfit. If you would like to see how I got this look and this and where I got this outfit, please keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start my eagle makeup. My eyelashes done, my face makeup. I just have on some concealer, powder. I have my eyebrows done, and I'm gonna do this eagle. I want to do this kind of eagle like eye makeup. Before they hear music in the background, my neighbor play music. But let me get into this. Eagle Maid cosplay. So I'm gonna do like eagle makeup for the maid cosplay, because maid cosplay is be, you know, the maids is be like more little natural, more cute, more eagle-y. I never see, you know, dark. I don't think I ever see a dark skin maid eagle look. So yeah. Alright, so we're gonna go in the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia, and we will be going into red ochre, this color is here, and I'm gonna so basically gonna like make like blush like across my nose and on the sides of my face like that. Okay, so after you make your face look like a red tomato, I take in my brown powder what I had from on my face, and I kind of blending it out a little bit so it won't be so harsh and I wouldn't look like a sunburn. So yeah, just blend it out a little bit. Okay, and now I'm gonna do some little freckles. So we're going in with some black liner, and I'm gonna make like little black freckles. Okay, so after you're looking like you have like dots all over your face. Right, so as I was saying before my camera cut off very rudely, I'm going back in with the same shade I use on my nose, and I just gonna pass it on top so it wouldn't be so harsh with the black freckles. Yeah, then I will make it with my brown powder and kind of like dust it away. Okay, so now we went on to eyeliner, right? So the eyeliner is the fun part. I like the elf one, but I don't have no elf. I'm using the one from LA Colors. So I just going on like start like right here on my eye to make it look bigger, and I'm gonna draw outward like this, right? Then I'm gonna stop right there, and then I'm gonna start like from right here on top of your lash line and bring it outward. Right? Okay, so I'm gonna fill that in now. I'm gonna do the same thing on the next eye. So coming out. Right underneath that, I'm gonna put on some false eyeliner, drawing some fake eyelashes.
Flip it, top it with the bow tie, fit and stop it. Eating all the rainbow cookies, pies are flying through the roof. Not my first pick, but I'll do it. Make the cash less so I can move quick. Out the shithole with a new whip, cream on top, I'm about to prove it. Pack it, box it, flip it, top it.
So as I drawing them, I'm doing like here long, and then like I'm going along and making it shorter and shorter, right? So I'm going to do the same thing on the next side. So you have on your eyelashes. So now I'm gonna take like, yeah, so I don't have any white eyeliner, but if you have white eyeliner, feel free to use, but I'm gonna use eyeshadow primer and eyeshadow, or I might just use the eyeshadow primer only. And I'm gonna take my little angle brush, and I'm gonna like just do like a white liner underneath my eyes. I'm a waterline, right? Right, so I'm going to do the same thing on the next side with the white eyeshadow primer. Taking some white eyeshadow, and I'm gonna put that where the white liner is. I'm gonna use the same angle brush. Flip it, top it with the bow tie, fit and stop it. Eating all the rainbow cookies, pies are flying through the roof. Not my first pick, but I'll do it. Okay, so now I'm gonna take some. I'm gonna use James Charles palette, and I wanna take some of this color right here and put it in my inner corners. Flip it, top it. My boss is Mother Mary, catch me slipping through the concrete. Show no mercy, step right on me. Stiletto that send me to purgatory. Okay, so I'm going in with the same color I used to do the inner corners. I'm going to like, just gonna put like a little, just a little highlight right here. And then eyeshadow as highlighter. Right. Yeah, for the lips, I'm just gonna be using some clear lip gloss from Sacha.
Arbitrary, the way they all go, knock 'em down like she a dodgeball. Little mess up, and she's angry. One downfall, she blamed the whole team. Pack it, box it, flip it, drop it. Pack it, box it, flip it, drop it. My voice is not a lyric.
Okay, guys. Okay, so when I'm putting the maid outfits, and then come back and then show you the final look. So, okay. Okay guys, so that was the final look of my maid outfit. I hope you guys enjoyed this cute eagle kawaii maid look for Halloween. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.